you're sweating in here. Probably because it's like 100 degrees outside. Hi, I'm Greg, and welcome back to Good Old RV. Today we're going to be talking about your kitchen sink. Now, we all know that there's a lot of differences in the kitchen sinks. Some have stainless steel, some have epoxy, some have plastic. But you know what? I have American Stonecast. Now, American Stonecast is not a plastic and it's not an epoxy. It is a polyester composite that is made in a compressed mold. It has a lot higher heat temperature difference and could withstand a lot more than those other two. And so yeah, that's the kind of sink I have, and so we're going to be talking about cleaning that sink. And so stay tuned and we'll get right into it. Okay everybody, today my goal is to get rid of these black stains in the bottom of my sinks. And I used some cleaner yesterday. It just wasn't that great. You can see what I'm talking about right here. But today I saw some stuff right here. This is Barkeeper's Friend, and it shows the before and after of a white sink just like mine. And so I'm going to see just how true that is. Okay, I'm going to start out by just getting everything wet. Okay, then I'm going to open this up like that. And I hope you can see. Just going to sprinkle it in here. Sprinkle. A bit more on the edge. Okay, so that's that side. I'm going to do the opposite side. Again, get it wet. And go ahead and sprinkle it in here. If you look at this stuff, you'll see it's more of a powder than a coarse, like sandy material. And that's what you want. You don't want anything else super coarse. And so I actually also got this right here. It's the non-scratch hand saver scourer. So I figured that might help it go a little easier. So the directions stated after you put it in there to wash it up and rinse it within a minute of application. So I'm doing that with this scrubber. Okay, I'm going to let that be like that. And do this side now. A little bit of extra water. Okay, so it says to apply it, scrub it, and rinse it within a minute. That's what I was reading anyway. Then it says to dry it out, which I'm doing now. Look at that. Okay, so that's how it says it should be done right there. Honestly, I'm not sure. Does that look cleaner to you? So this is just short. I just wanted to touch on that because I know a lot of RVs come with these white sinks that are a real pain to keep clean. So if you could clean it in 1 minute, this stuff is pretty good, I guess. Barkeeper's Friend cleanser. Okay, that's what we're using. Well, I hope this video was beneficial for you. And if you have the same type of sink and you're found the label on the bottom of it and everything the same way I did, then you'll be able to, you could actually just go to the sink's website. You can go to American Stonecast website, and they have a sheet for care and cleaning of the sink. And so they'll tell you exactly what you can and can't use. And it just so happens that the cleaner that I'm using is on their list, and so it worked out really good. So anyways, I'm glad you could join in, and I hope this was informational for you, and have a great day. Safe travels.